So my name's Bob Simmonds, and I received my bachelor's degree from engineering science and electrical option in 1975 here at U of T. From a very young age, I had a kind of an affinity with electronics. My grandfather actually started an electronics company way back in the 20s. I came to U of T and went through engineering, got my electrical engineering degree, but in fourth year I was actually the chief engineer for the company. We started to manufacture radios and audio products. Then of course we started getting into cellular and trunked radio and some of those kinds of technologies. And so we created our own operation where we were actually a service provider as opposed to just selling product. We created ClearNet, and ClearNet became a very large public mobile service operator. And then we sold it to TELUS in 2000 for $6.6 billion. And it's still the largest telecom transaction in Canada. I have to give the credit back to my education here. Without that, it wouldn't have happened. I think at U of T, and especially engineering science, the thing I think I learned the most was how to problem solve, how to break down problems, how to do that in a logical manner that allows you to really solve, at the end of the day, very complicated problems. Well, I graduated in 1975, and I've been back to the campus a few times, but it's always fun to come back to the campus. The vibe here is just awesome.